Guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video, I will show you how you could easily create a bootable SD card for Windows 2000. Again, open your browser and type Rufus and hit enter. Open Rufus Create Bootable USB. Scroll down, you will see under download latest releases. Click on any of these. I personally clicked on the standard one and it will be downloaded. Once the download is over, which usually takes up to 1 minute as a maximum, you want to click and open Rufus. So double click on it. Windows will ask you if you want to allow this app to make changes to your device. You can go ahead and click yes. Wait a few seconds and Rufus will open. Next step, make sure to open your PC shortcuts and plug the device in which you want to set up the Windows 2000. For example, here, I'm going to rename it Windows 2000. I will click on it. Here, make sure that you have no files. So if you have any, move them to another file, to another storage device, or just delete them. Once done, locate where you have your Windows 2000 ISO file saved. For me, I have it in this file here under Windows. I have my Windows ISO 2000. So I will just copy this link. Next step, I will select in Rufus my USB flash drive or my SD card, whatever storage device you want to use. Leave boot selection disk or ISO image. Click select. Paste the link. Select Windows 2000. Once the operation is over, make sure that partition scheme is MBR, target system BIOS. Make sure format option, and under volume label, you want to name it Windows 2000. File system must be NTFS, cluster size 4000. Make sure to select or to tick quick format and create extended label and icon files. Now we are ready, we can just go ahead and click start. The system will warn you that all data on the storage device, if it's a USB flash drive, SD card, it's warning you that it's going to delete all the data there. So make sure to copy your data before proceeding. For me, I can just go ahead and click OK. The process will start. It usually can take up to 5 minutes. So you want to make sure to have the PC shortcut open and to monitor the progress if you wish. I will just pause the video here and we'll continue once the process is over. So after 3 minutes, 43 seconds, the process is over. You can go ahead and click close. And you can check your storage device by clicking on the setup execution file. You should be able to see the logo of Windows. And you should be able to install it accordingly. Thank you guys for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.